'Cause I'm working overtime to forget. Yeah, we had it.
Hi guys, welcome back. Usually I'm using my DJI Pocket 3, but right now I'm using my Canon R6 and I'm using a 60mm with my 2.8 stop. So it's looking pretty nice. What? Look at that, look at that. What? Sorry, I was looking at myself, okay? Because the quality on this camera is beast. Like, look at my man cleaning. So sexy. It's a good thing that you're driving, baby. Cause I'd be so scared driving in this weather. Cause I haven't drove in the snow for like 5 years now. Ever since I started working from home. We are gonna go eat. We're gonna go try out this new joint. Well, it's been open for a while. It's not new, but yeah. Forgot to tell you guys, but today's agenda is we're gonna go hang out with my in-law. And you guys are not gonna see them because they don't like being in videos. And that is okay. You guys have to respect people if they don't want to be in videos, okay? You guys hear that? But we're at our destination. And this joint, food joint, just opened last year. And it is a Korean barbecue and hot pot. It's called the J-pot, aka my husband called it a K-pop for some reason. It's a Korean barbecue and hot pot joint. And it's all you can eat. I'm so excited! Baby, how is it driving in the snow today?
$100,000 car, easy.
What about your tires? How much did your tire cost?
$3.
$3 only? Why are you lying? This is my husband's current song right now, you guys.
So sad.
You just watched the movie, didn't you? Yeah, he finished the whole movie because I had it on YouTube and he loved it. It's so sad. I don't know how you can watch it, bro.
Oh baby, how you doing? 쓸데없이 생각이 많았네. 오늘은 그렇게 그냥 보내진 않을게. 우리가 어떤 꿈을 꿨는지 난 잘 몰라. 나는
I'm so full. We ate Korean barbecue and hot pot. I got tom yum soup. It was so good.
언제였던 건지 기억나지 않아. 자꾸 내 머리가 너로 어지럽던 시작.
한두 번씩 떠오르던 생각 저편으로 가서
조금 당황스러운 이 마음
별일이 아닐 수 있다고.
They taste like liquor.
Other way around. I would try bottle. Have some. She liked it.
That's just Oreo cheesecake. Basic, as Victor would say. Oh, are you sure?
It's good.
Ooh. This is really good.
just trying to play cool, but I just couldn't hide from wait a minute, 이게 뭐지? 내 심장이 올라가 자꾸만 야 저 멀리 있어도 아직은 for you my crush 손은 유처럼 가운데 앉아서 기댄 것만 같지만 이 모든 게 내 맘에 달라붙어버려버린 미니 다이스 인정할게. This time I want you like this like that. Get down to me. Like this
Now we're playing pool. Ooh! It's very unexpected day today and it's snowing outside. Snow day today. Okay, I'm gonna go play pool. Bubbler one. Kiwi, come here.
Kiwi.
Coda. Yeah. Kiwi likes the little one. See? We are finally home, but this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Katiatu aku kasih, yang mau itu neku saja.